Sparky Sparks here. So getting enough protein is really, really, really important, especially as we age. And ladies, we don't. If you track it and you start looking at what you intake for protein, you're probably going to see that you fall far short of what you need. So the guidelines are basically pick your ideal body weight and then that many grams in protein. So 125, 130 should be my ideal grams in protein. That's hard to get. So I found through Jenna Fail this great protein powder called Level 1. It's by Phorm, Phorm. And I started doing this about a year ago. Love, love, love it. They also have collagen, which is 15 grams in a scoop. It has protein, and then 25 grams in a scoop of this for 150 calories. So complete protein, super great. So I just got my shipment of the peppermint bark. So I love, love, love. I've put a scoop, and I'm going to show you the size of this scooper. So it's this big. So I put a scoop in my little measuring cup. I have espresso in my coffee cup. I'm going to use filtered water, just a little bit, because I like my, I don't know if this is legit or what, but I find it's easier to dissolve the protein powder in cool water as opposed to hot water. So, and you can see it turns pink. It's peppermint. I love this. So I stir it up in my little mixing cup with some just room temperature water. And then I have my espresso in my coffee cup. So I have my camera low so you guys can see this. So I'm not trying to stir in the air. Let's see, it's almost mixed up. Let's see, get all the edges. So the flavor is just amazing. And the peppermint bark is only sold seasonally, kind of like the pumpkin spice latte. So I loaded up. I have the bars and the canisters of the collagen. This I mix with coffee a lot, and it's just super great. You can also make it cold if you want a cold little treat. So now what I do is I pour it in over my espresso like this and get all the goodness, because it is so good. It tastes like peppermint stick ice cream. We used to have that as a child. So it's so good. Okay, so I put that in here, and then I add hot water and I stir as I add. Now if you have an electric whisker, it would froth up, and you could add cream, I think, if you wanted to. I like it just like this. So I'm going to show you. Oh my gosh, it is so good. It smells so good. It smells like the holidays, Christmas. So there you go. Kind of froths up a little bit. Cheers. Make it a great day. And if you haven't tried Phorm, their Level 1 protein comes in lots of different flavors, but right now they have peppermint bark. It's amazing, and so are their bars. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.